Hello TV fam, pasensya na kayo sa sikat ng araw. Currently, January 19, 1:30 ng hapon, meron tayong open house na bibisitahin. So, ito yung isa sa mga pinuntahan natin last vlog na hindi natin nababaan dahil nga walang parking. So ngayon, nagpunta tayo na medyo maaga-aga para makakuha tayo ng parking space. And then, may schedule tayo ng appointment which is 1:50. Kasama natin ulit si Joyce.
Hi. Oh my gosh, I'm so against the light.
Yeah. Kaya namin isipan puntahan to dahil ano siya 3-bedroom plus den. And then, 2 full bath with half bath. Tapos may kasama siyang parking. Although yung setup niya hindi siya townhouse, it's a condo apartment. Na-meet naman niya yung parang minimum requirements namin sa isang lugar. Kaya titignan natin to, tignan natin kung okay ba siya, magiging maayos ba. Yan bali yung complex. Yan. 3 floors total. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung meron sa ground floor. Siguro ano yun? Units pa rin kaya yun or common area nung building. Ayan siya, tabi-tabi yung mga ano dito, condo apartment. Ito lang yung parang pinaka-challenge dito, yung visitor parking. Sobrang limited, yung nandoon 3 lang. So kung halimbawa magkakaroon ka ng get together, gathering, medyo hirap makakuha ng parking. Sa harap merong pay parking na pwedeng gamitin. Kaso syempre magbabayad ka pa. Sa tapat naman, medyo walk talaga. Yung nandito naman, sa tapat, Lansdowne area. So, tingnan natin. Are you Leo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Are you here for open house?
Open house.
Yeah, what's your name?
John.
Hey, John. Oh,
Yeah.
come on in, guys.
Alright.
Have you been in this building before?
No, this is the first time.
Sure.
Okay.
Oh.
Right. Go to the parking.
Yeah.
Exit from the parking. We'll go right to Kwanglan. So you don't have to go up around.
Got it.
Right?
Got
So
it.
that's why.
Okay.
Okay.
And then at the end, then I'll show you the parking space as well.
Sounds good. And wait. Okay naman yung lighting.
Okay.
Yeah, so as I mentioned earlier,
Oh,
this
got
is the
it.
second elevator.
Yeah.
So this is our unit,
Oh.
right?
Oh.
You literally come out, take this elevator. We won't
Perfect.
be using that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one will be a lot more convenient.
Yeah.
Is this the exit, far exit? Also, everything's carpet.
Yeah, it's original.
Okay.
Original owner.
Pets are allowed? Huh?
What?
Pets are allowed?
Pets are allowed. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, this is the den that you were referring to. Is this gas or
This is
electric?
The fireplace is electric.
Okay. Appliances are original as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, dishwasher. They have carburetor. Oh yeah, okay. Are the owners like moving or what's the
I think they're downsizing.
downsizing? Any restrictions like having a barbecue on the balcony?
No, I don't. Not
No?
No. Most likely, you're not allowed to hang your clothes outside.
Okay, but barbecue you can.
Come on.
Yeah.
Barbecue,
Oh, here's the laundry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also original. I think like what's the piping?
And then all the bedrooms are on this side here.
First bedroom. Ooh.
Not a queen with a desk is what.
Not got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You did a queen, but not maybe not with a desk.
Is it similar this size?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This one is-
feels bigger. I don't know why, because maybe it's there's
The arrangement. Yeah. This is a
Layout.
twin, I think. Is it?
I think that's the twin. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Double would
is
be
up to
probably. Yeah. Okay. Washroom. Okay, stand up.
there.
That's
Yeah.
all we're looking for.
So everything's original. Like
Correct.
Yeah. Even the floor is vinyl.
In the master bathroom, you can see that there will be a double sink.
Yes.
And you get a shower and a tub.
Oh,
Okay.
like a
Right.
4-piece.
Baseboard. Okay, good size.
On the right will be a
Masters.
walk-in closet. That's
So-
the amenities where the swimming pool, the gym,
Oh yeah, this is the pool. Okay, so from got it. So we're in this side.
Is that open all year long, the pool? Or is it heated during the winter?
I don't think it's heated.
Okay. So
Open all year round.
okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, view of the mountain. Check the washroom. Yeah. Original. Okay, 4-piece bathtub. Stand up.
Yeah, we have 1,200 square feet space here, right? Which is like the size of a townhouse, but all on
Yeah.
one floor.
In terms of timeline, how flexible are the owners?
They're flexible. It's negotiable. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They're not like in a rush to sell.
Oh,
Okay.
Nothing like that. Okay.
But if you need it ASAP as well,
Okay.
it's negotiable.
Yeah. Well, maybe we could just take a look at the parking.
For sure.
Yeah, and they do have
storage locker.
storage. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't have access to the storage.
That's fine. Just maybe just show where it's located. Just want to.
I don't know where the storage locker is located.
Oh, okay,
either,
okay.
But I can show you the parking for sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
sounds good.
Sorry, I don't have the keys to it, so.
So if you have visitors, what are the options where visitors can actually park? Because you have very limited.
There are visitor parkings under.
Oh, in the parkade. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. I know. There's only like a few.
Yeah, there's only
outside.
3.
I know.
For the whole bunch of buildings.
But there are visitors. Yeah. Do you guys live in Richmond as well?
Richmond, yeah. Yung parking. Ah, okay. May locker dun. Parking ng mga bikes, ayan. Tapos yung ceiling ng parking, medyo okay. Okay?
This is the first one.
This one. Ah, ito na yung quantum.
Yeah, so
Oh.
earlier.
Okay. Okay. Good size. So all of this is shared by all of the complex here.
All 6 of them. Yeah.
Okay. Ayan, may school din dito. Ayan. A school. Tapos yun yung Garden City. Ayan. Tapos dito sa side na to, dyan yung Walmart. Ayan, may kasamang pool, tsaka yung multi-purpose hall nila. So, anong verdict?
Not so, magkano to?
8. Ano yan?
869.
869. 869,000.
Ang mahal ng strata niya.
600. 600, anong exact amount?
Kaya siya mataas kasi it includes gas daw.
Yeah, may kasamang ayun, 640 maintenance fee. 640, 65. Ayan. So, ang total size is 1,205.
Yeah.
No? 3 bedroom na parang kasya lang sa 2 bedroom is double size, double ang size ng bed. And then 1 master bedroom and then yung isa din open
First
din.
time in the market pala siya.
Yeah. Ang kagandahan is maganda yung building. That's one. So parang yung resale value medyo you're there. Tsaka 2 parking spaces. And then malapit siya nasa harap. Pwede college, ano yan? College ba yung nasa harap considered?
University.
University.
Kwantlen Polytechnic.
May university sa harap. So isang advantage, malay mo baka si Cal dyan mag-decide. Meron ba siyang hinahanap niya?
Polytechnic siya. Parang...
Hindi pala. Ayun, isa din yun sa nakaka-add sa value niya. And then, yan, sa tabi, nandyan yung Lansdowne, which is yung mall. So, easy access. So, lipat na tayo sa next location natin. Medyo against the line tayo sa video na to. House hunting break muna tayo. Punta tayo dito sa Price Mart. Yan. Bili lang tayo ng fruits na kailangan ni Clark. Ang dami lang pang Valentine's. Dami na rin binibenta ngayon na pang mga Chinese New Year. Ayan, oh. $5.99. Ayan. Ito tayo sa mga fruits. Tapos ikaw nagpapabili ng chips. Si Clark, nakakailigan niya ngayon, cantaloupe. Wala na siya ibang bukang bibig ngayon. Gusto niya ng cantaloupe. Ang tanong, in season ba siya? Kasi kung hindi in season, walang magbebenta eh. Wala, hindi talaga siya in season. Oh. May yung mga green na lang. Ano ba tong mga ganito?
Honeydew.
Honeydew na lang.
Ayaw na yan eh.
Hindi, para lang may option siya. Kung wala. Kasi kung wala, ito ako na lang kakain, honeydew. Sarap naman yun eh, yung green. Ito nga, may mold na eh, oh. Yung grapes.
Expired na ba yan?
Well, the mere fact na may mold, dapat ilabas na yan. Kaya dapat pag nagtitingin kayo ng mga fruits, titignan nyo mabuti. Kasi hindi rin naman lahat maayos at fresh.
Parang pa. 27 pa.
Mango. Tapos alam ko lalo na yung mga nakapack. Kasi yung mga nakapack daw, yun daw yung parang pasira na eh. Tapos tinanggal na yung parang masisirang part. Ewan ko, totoo ba yun? Comment down below kung meron kayong ganyang theory. Kasi parang nakita ko yan sa isa yan sa mga topics sa CBC. Yung mga nag-i-investigate ng mga ganyang klaseng situations. Kuha na tayo ng chips ni Cal. Ano bang inihingi niya?
Wala, basta chips.
Okay. Wala specific. Kulang pa rin pala kami ng bread. Ayan, dito kami namimili ng bread. Masarap yung white bread nila dito eh.
White bread
Dinner
or
roll?
dinner roll?
Pwede naman, either or. Last on our list. Kuha tayo ng chips. Bawal kasi sa akin to eh. Salt. Hirap magpigil. Ayan, lagi namin kinukuha yan. Hoops Barbecue. Sarap yan.
Tsaka sun chips.
Sun chips? Okay. Ayun, nakalimutan ko pala sabihin sa inyo si Clark. Medyo inuubo at sinisipon. Tapos nag-fever din siya. Nagsimula yan kahapon. So, as usual, ito na naman kami ni Joyce. Iisip paano at kung sino magbabantay, sinong pwede. Ayan, yan talaga ang buhay ng nagtatrabaho tapos meron kang mga anak na pumapasok. Hawahan kasi sa school eh. Yan ang mahirap iwasan. Kahit na parati kang nag-iingat. Si Clark, pagkadating, maliligo ka agad. Yung mga damit, diretso sa laundry. Hindi talaga maiwasan. Kaya ngayon, bibili tayo ng Cool Fever. Bumili ako ng mga ganito para magamit ko sa sapatos. Binili ako ni Joyce para sa rubber shoes. Effective siya. Masarap siya sa paa. Nagbibigay ng relief sa ating tendonitis.
Fever indicator lang. Hindi siya yung pang
wala daw yung Cool Fever. Dumaan na lang tayo later pagka wala talaga. Sayang naman. Nandito na tayo. Sige, bayaran natin to para makapunta na tayo sa ating next location. Ito yung so far pinakamalaki na napuntahan natin na condo apartment style. So, tignan natin kung pasok ba sa banga ang ating ang requirements natin for the space. Dito na tayo sa second location. Ito ba yung parang pinaka visitor parking, and sa labas pwede din mag-park doon sa parang pinaka main street. So baba na tayo. yan ang buzzer. As long as may buzzer. Importante. Ano pala sila, di susi. So yung access nila sa loob di susi. So after ng elevator.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Ayan. Ganti yung complex. Okay. So ito yung unit. So ito yung first bedroom. Okay. This is good. Already like the size. Ito. Ceiling height is good. And then meron kang walk-in closet. Tapos Jack and Jill bathroom. Ayan. May access going to the bathroom. Papunta sa common bathroom. Ito yung common bathroom. Yeah. Coffee note. Ito yung sinasabi ko, babe. Saktong-sakto to. Lalagay ka dito ng wall, oh. Diretso. And then you put the door like that, or you put the door like this. Diba? Here's the kitchen. Let's take a look. Okay, may carburetor. Yep, may carburetor. Samsung dishwasher. Yeah. It's yung countertop lang, medyo it's sloping down. Original stove. Ayan, no? Naimasin mo na ba? Washer dryer? Oh, here. Okay. Whirlpool. Napalitan na, pero hindi siya sobrang oo, modern. Yeah. Tapos ito. Storage. Oh, mataas yung storage. Meron din silang storage under the stairs.
What is that door? Storage?
Yeah, looks like it. Or hot water tank. Flooring is good. Good sized bedroom, babe. Yeah. Wow. Good space. Walk-in closet. Hindi nga lang siya double sink. Ah, bathtub lang siya. Medyo feels really original. Tingnan natin yung loft. Nakita mo na yung ano? Yung sa labas, baka hot water tap. Check na lang natin dun sa ano. Mayari. Eh, yung sinasabi ko, that one, sabi nila is, itong property na 22 feet yung ceiling height. Ito yung loft. Yeah. Tapos you get the view. Yeah. Pwede. Pwede. Yeah. Kita mo yung mga mountains, kita mo dun sa window. Gusto ni Cal yan. May sarili siyang space, so loft. 1,500 square feet. Nakakuha ko ba ng ano? Yung flyer? Pwede ka mag-barbecue.
Oh, there's the balcony.
So ano, okay na tayo? Yeah? Okay. Sige. That's it. That's it. Yeah.
From the only elevator. Sila mami. Bakit ito?
Don't look na.
Their strata active even? Like, what are they doing with this empty space? You should have like a block party here.
Wow. So yun yung parang communal area. Yung elevator nila. Same design nung existing elevator natin. Yung luma doon sa building namin. Kasi edad nitong building na to, yung building natin eh. 1989. Yeah. Verdict? So sa facial expression pa lang, so hindi na nga natin tinignan yung parking eh, pero may kasama to 2 parking space.
Hindi ko sure how I feel about it. It's nice, it's bright, maraming space. First of all, yung age lang ng building.
Yeah, it's the same as ours.
Yung resale
value. Yeah. And then isa lang din yung elevator. So, doon kasi sa building namin, pag nasira yung elevator, meron pang isa na pwedeng gamitin. So, kung halimbawa hindi ka able na maglakad, eh, meron ka alternative na pwedeng gamitin. So, yeah.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine.